Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Dakota. This is St. Paul High School, Worcester, Mass. This is part 2 of the triangle introduction. Today we're going to look at some math dealing with the triangles. Okay, in the last video we discussed how the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Well, now we're going to put that to the test. So let's take a look here. So right here, I'm looking for some angle measurements on the inside. Here I'm looking for some angle measurements, and this is dealing with algebra. And this over here is dealing with the exterior angle theorem. Okay, now let's start off with this one over here, the triangle exterior angle theorem. So what this basically states is that this exterior angle here is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So whatever this angle measurement is here should be equal to these two here. So let's go through and let's figure this out. So we'll do 180 minus 45 minus 47 degrees. This angle is equal to 88 degrees. So if I do 180 minus 88, this should be 92 degrees, because again, these should be supplementary. Interior and exterior angles are always supplementary. So if I do 45 plus 47, that is equal to 92 degrees. Now let's go over here. So if I do 180 minus 47 degrees, this is equal to 133 degrees. Now if I add up 88 and 45, it should be equal to 133 degrees. So 88 plus 45 is equal to 133 degrees. So this is the triangle exterior angle theorem. So angle 1, which was 92 degrees, and angle 2 is 88 degrees. Okay? Let's look over at this one. Now, a couple different things here. We know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle has to equal 180 degrees. So if we look at just this smaller triangle here, we have 30 and 80, which is equal to 110 degrees. 180 minus 110 degrees, this is 70 degrees. If this is 70, 180 minus 70, this has to be 110 degrees. Now, if this is 40 and 110, that's 150 degrees. 180 minus 150, this has to be 30 degrees. If we also take a look at this here, if this is 80, this is 70, the total, and this is 30, 70 and 30 is 100, plus 80 is 180 degrees, so it all checks out. So you can look at this as the small picture or the big picture, but always go with the small picture first to find out these angles. Again, if they're next to each other and they make a straight line, it's equal to 180 degrees. So X here would be 70, Y is 110, and Z is 30 degrees. Okay? Let's look at this last one here. So we have 2x plus 4 plus 2x minus 9 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So let's take a look at what we have here. So we have 2x plus x. That is 5x. We have 4 minus 9, which is minus 5, which is equal to 180 degrees. We're going to add 5 to both sides. 5x is equal to 185. On a calculator, we're going to do 185 divided by 5. X is equal to 37. Let's go and plug this in. So 2 times 37 minus 9 is equal to 65 degrees. 2 times 37 plus 4 is equal to 78 degrees. And this is 37 degrees. Let's add it up to make sure it makes sense. So 65 plus 78 plus 37 is equal to 180 degrees. So X is 37. The X angle is 37 degrees. The C angle, because this is corner C, this is 37 degrees. Angle B, which is right here, is 78 degrees. Angle A is 65 degrees. And again, the three of them equal 180 degrees. That is your key. Make sure everything is equal to 180 degrees. Triangle exterior angle theorem. Make sure on page 147, section 3.4, you copy all those theorems and postulates into your notebook. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you and have a good day.